This video will show you how to join a Zoom lesson. First, make sure you have a computer at home with a camera and microphone. You may also use a laptop or a tablet. Of course, you should have a Zoom program you may download from this website, zoom.us/download. The Zoom lesson timetable for each class has been sent through the school app. Of course, you may also log into Google Classroom or refer to the home learning site for the timetable. To join a Zoom lesson, just click the Zoom meeting link, or you may open the Zoom program. Enter the meeting ID and password to join. After joining the lesson, click Start Video to show your face. Make sure you mute your microphone unless upon teacher's request. To let your teachers and classmates know who you are, you have to show your class number, class, Chinese name and English name to them. You have to click on the three dots near your face. Click on Rename and then input your information. Your teachers may ask you to answer questions or share your views. You may click Unmute and then speak. To show your respect, make sure you have got the permission from your teacher first before you speak. Click Mute when you have finished. Your teachers may ask you to type the answers in chat room. You may click Chat to type your answers. Do not use chat room to chit-chat with your classmates unless your teachers ask you to do so. Sometimes you may want to ask your teachers something. You may click Participate and press Raise Hand to let your teachers know, just like a real classroom. Your teachers may ask you to draw or write something on the screen. You may click View, Options, then Annotate. A toolbar will appear and you can use that to draw and write on the screen. Again, you have to seek your teacher's permission before doing that. Your teachers may ask you to click on a link and visit another platform or website during the Zoom lesson. Press the Escape button to exit the full screen mode for Zoom, so that you can open another window to browse the platform or website. A gentle reminder for you. Your teachers will record the Zoom lesson and post it on Google Classroom after the lesson. You don't need to, and you are not allowed to record the lesson. Do remember to click Leave Meeting when the lesson is finished.